Hi, welcome to my presentation about my recipe app, FlavorFul. My name is Nityasree and I am in 8th grade. I joined Moonpreneur a little over a year ago and I would like to show my project, the recipe app called FlavorFul. I will explain the reasons for why I have created it, how it solves the problems, and its features. I will also show the obstacles and their solutions and my future plans for the app. My cousins bake and cook a lot, and they always research the internet for recipes or ideas for dinner. I usually ask my mom what's for dinner or lunch, and she always says something simple, like dosa, idli, or rice. I want something simple that my parents can make really quickly, but also really different. Many people also choose to go to restaurants or order takeout when they don't know what to cook for dinner. When planning for events or long trips with many families, it's helpful to find meal plans that cater to everyone's preferences and dietary needs. The solution to all these concerns is a place where you have a variety of dishes to choose from, and the recipes for each that are easily accessible. That's where FlavorFul comes in. FlavorFul offers a wide array of dishes, including chicken, noodles, seafood, and desserts. The dishes are categorized based on type and difficulty level to help users choose recipes according to their preferences. Users can browse categories or search specific recipes, such as cupcakes. Each recipe includes a list of ingredients, detailed instructions, and a video to assist users in preparing the dish with ease and confidence. The technology that I used is React Native, so my app can run on both Android and iOS, and so I can create a smooth user interface. I also chose it because creating the UI and styling was simple and effective. The data that I used for the recipes and my dishes came from an API that I fetched and learned from my app. I also learned an advanced topic for styling, which is called Tailwind CSS. Over the course of the app, I faced many challenges, and these were my main problems. First, my fonts would overlap with each other, making it hard to read and cluttering the entire homepage. Another problem was my sudo. My settings were all over the place, and I couldn't access the data I needed since my password was also rejected. I had fetching issues with my API, where some of the data wouldn't show or my page wouldn't load properly with the images. The images were also having resizing problems, where they wouldn't fit the cutouts in the homepage or not even appear. For the font problems, it was purely trial and error, trying out different fonts and styles and moving it around until everything fit perfectly. The sudo was solved by extensive research through the web, trying out different commands and even resetting the password before I could access the sudo. For fetching the API, I watched a couple of videos on YouTube and did slight research and did some revisions of the code until I found a solution. The images were very high quality, so we used caching to make it work. My teacher helped me throughout these problems and gave me the guidance and resources to complete it. A couple things that I would like to add to the future to my app is make it more user-friendly is profile management. I want users to create profiles for themselves and a place where they can save their favorite recipes for future use. I also want the profile to help the user set up their dietary preferences so their feed customizes to their food choice. Ratings and review for each dish to see if there are any errors or better tips that I can add to the recipe or the ingredient list. A final thing is to make a built-in grocery list where they can just click the dish and the ingredients would be added to their grocery list. Thank you so much for listening to my journey with creating my app. Thank you to my teachers, my batchmates, and everyone else, like my parents and other uncles and aunts who helped me create this app and helping me to find errors and fix my code. Thank you for listening and your time.